plan was just to have a regular night flight, but everything went haywire. A fierce, sudden crash happened right in the heart of the Amazon rainforest. Out of the smoke and blazing fire, a mysterious figure wearing a black tactical mask came out from the chaos, found himself stranded in the most dangerous place on Earth, stumbling through the relentless, freezing rain in the dark jungle, braving the massive, dense trees. I discovered something even scarier. An old, forgotten vintage wagon car, rusted beyond recognition, buried deep beneath tons of mud and moss. But the real shock was when I started digging nearby. There were gold coins hidden in the mud. With a lot of effort and heavy tools, I pulled the enormous, rusted wreckage out of the hole and brought it to my small jungle workshop. After many days and nights of working hard, I completely changed the vintage train into a luxurious masterpiece. Just when I needed it the most, I found a hidden source of natural gas beneath the earth. I poured it into the tank and the engine immediately started to roar back to life. With its golden beast rising through the Amazon night sky, the sun finally shone brightly on the newfound treasure. Now, this isn't a story about some guy becoming wealthy from underground gold coins. It's more of a tale about a true jungle hero finding a new purpose amid the remnants of the past. A story about a man transforming waste and rubbish into a treasure box capable of capturing the excitement and wonder of adventure.